All right, so as Anita leaves, Laddie Williams comes in to tell us...
With another contagion.
Oh, my word.
It's all about contagion right now.
Oh, man, this is getting too much. How do we breathe with all of this?
Yeah, so at the end of the day, it's a risk that we're all having to face, at this time, talking about the banking industry globally. But, with Credit Suisse, there's some hope.
Yes.
This morning, we saw the share price did jump.
Yeah, because of the help that's coming their way.
So help is coming.
Yeah.
So...
And hopefully it will put a full stop to, the losses
and we know that the banks,
and the negative breath.
The banks are safe. Let's just make sure the banks are safe.
That's a prophecy.
Exactly. So looking at the market sentiment, 52 points, neutral. Still trying to move away from that fear point, trying to get to greed. We did get to greed earlier, but now we're having to deal with neutral in this market. Let's look at the market cap, 1.07 trillion, down 2.50%. Volume traded is also down this morning, 19.16, and we see Bitcoin dominance inching up gradually, 44.19%, almost 45% at this time. You know what happens once Bitcoin dominance hits? It means Bitcoin could go on some kind of run, and altcoins, might suffer from that. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin, 24,524, down 0.98%. After touching about 26,000 yesterday. Volume traded, $42.07 billion. Look at Ethereum now, still holding that range, $1,600. Let's bring in Olumide Adesina, our financial market analyst. Hello, Olumide, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Laddie. Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yeah, so Olumide, this market searching for direction, but it has recovered a lot from, falling below 20,000 the last time. But who do you see taking control, the bears or the bulls at some point?
Well, it sounds very tricky. Fully well that despite the Swiss National Bank support for Credit Suisse, we're seeing parabolic movement in the crypto market. And it's not far-fetched because we are seeing risk coming back to the market. We're seeing stocks going up, increasingly, particularly the European session. It's not the same in the crypto market. There are reports that the US Fed is planning on creating an instant payment network where you could run transactions between banks, merchants, and consumers within seconds. And definitely that will have an effect on the crypto market, particularly areas of stablecoin. So investors are watching that news properly. And also, it's also fair to understand that the dollar rallied by almost 2% yesterday. So despite the fact that we're seeing a moderation, investors are also cautious by how the market will play out in the United States session. But having said all these things, the dynamics of the market shows that the crypto market is more evolving. We have seen the case where Binance are converting a large chunk of their holdings to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins, moving away from fiat-related assets. So it tells you that major entities also are trying to create liquidity in the fragile ecosystem. But, like you said, Bitcoin had got almost to a point of $26,000 before moderating back below 24, and right back is back up between $24,000. So the battle is still a tug of war. But in the past couple of months, you could say the bulls have an upper hand, or with the way the macroeconomic conditions are going, the bears might have the final say.
Yeah, because the weekend is slowly coming upon us at this time. What are you expecting? Some kind of rally or dump?
Well, I think the status quo will remain, except we see high activity in economic data, which probably is unlikely. So I think it would be fair to say that Bitcoin might hold 24,000 support till weekend. However, it all depends on how risk sentiments take place in the United States trading session.
All right, we're watching out for all of that. Thank you so much, Olumide Adesina, financial market analyst.
Thank you for having me.
All right, let's look at the top halls by market cap. There we see it's just Binance token there, BNB, holding up 0.70%, $313, still staying above that $300 level. We see Cardano having a pullback there, 5.43%. Matic, 6.94% down. And we see XRP still holding strong to that 30-cent range. Let's look at the top gainers counter. GMX topping that counter up 7.55%, $80.89. Did lose some momentum for a while now, got to about $70, but starting to crawl back some of those gains. And we see Magic Token 3.10%, and we see BNB there getting on that top 5 gainers counter up 0.88%. And it's double-digit losses we're seeing for the top 5 losers. CFX, the China token, there's 16.26% down. STX, FILE token, and Little Dow down 16.21%. So it's we're seeing double-digit losses and some gains in the market. So the market is just looking for direction. At this point, but who's going to get the upper hand?
After the election on Saturday, the market will get direction.
After the election. All right, counting on that.
All right, Ladi, thank you. See you at 1:30 for Business Incorporated.